Yes, it is your trusted teacher, Dan C. I am with
Nothing.
Maddox and
Cafe.
we got Jackson here. And today we will be drawing the winner. Maddox is going to draw the winner. Just wait up, buddy. I'll get it for you. For the Beardova Beard Kit, we're going to have one awesome winner here. And we have 140-something entries. All right, come here, Maddox. All right. One winner here, you guys. I got a giveaway coming up, I believe, tomorrow, so stay tuned. It's going to be much simpler, just a subscribe and comment type video. All right, Maddox, we're just picking one name. A lot of names in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. We always have a tradition of cutting them out and doing them together. All right, you got one?
Yeah.
All right, not that one? Okay. Our winner for the Beardova Beard Kit, which is a balm, an oil, a brush, a comb, scissors. Hey, buddy, it's too loud. This is the crazy house of the commands here. All right. Maddox, do you want to read the name? Whoa.
No, you, Dad.
Me? Okay. Our winner is Carlos Eldorado. Carlos Eldorado. So, Carlos, get a hold of me on Instagram or email, DanCBearded. If you need an email, let me know. I can get that to you. It's pretty simple. I think it's in the description. But congratulations, Carlos. I'm going to ship that out to you personally myself. So thank you guys for the support. New giveaway tomorrow. Keep staying tuned. I loved the live stream last night. Hey, you guys are amazing. Stay positive. Stay bearded.